guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie, and I'm here to talk about the press conference that Amber Heard just had. I just felt like it was important to discuss it and just provide a little bit of context and feedback. So yeah, so if you don't mind, just hold on one sec and I'll play that for you so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Be right back.
I traveled here to the UK to testify as a witness to assist the court. After obtaining a restraining order in 2016 and finalizing my divorce, I just wanted to move on with my life. I did not file this lawsuit, and despite its significance, I would have preferred not to be here in court. It has been incredibly painful to relive the breakup of my relationship, to have my motives, my truth questioned, and the most traumatic and intimate details of my life with Johnny shared in court and broadcast to the entire world. I stand by my testimony, and I now place my faith in British justice. Although I did not bring up this lawsuit, I am aware of the precious resources being consumed by his litigation, and I will be glad to see those resources redirected to more important legal matters delayed by the COVID-19 pandemic. I appreciate the dedication, the hard work, and support of the defense legal team, as well as my US and UK lawyers. I also wish to extend my thanks to the very diligent and kind court staff and the police, who have been so sensitive in ensuring my safety and my protection so that I could testify in safety. And finally, my heartfelt thanks for all of the tremendous and overwhelming outpouring of support that I have received and the many messages from all over the world. You have given me so much strength, and I send it back to you. Thank you.
So basically what happened was Johnny's team was giving their submissions, and prior to court even finishing, Amber and her team left the court to go do this press conference while court was still in session, which number one is incredibly disrespectful, and it was kind of their way of doing almost like a sneak attack, I feel like, to do this press conference. And 100% it was, I think, a Hail Mary to paint herself as a victim, to make people feel sorry for her. But I feel like her testimony speaks for itself. The inconsistencies of her testimony, the inconsistencies of the people that testified on her behalf. And the reason why this case has come about is because she went into the media and trashed him and said all these things about him, so he has every right to defend himself. And the fact that he would go to these lengths kind of just proves that, you know, why would he go about bringing this out in the public eye and having them talk about his drug use and all these things unless he was innocent? So I just think that this was just a PR thing from her PR team representing her. As you can hear at the end, everyone was booing her. People are just not buying it anymore. So that is one thing to be happy about. But yeah, I just really look forward to knowing what the actual outcome of the case is, because I think she's trying to bring it to the court of the public opinion, but I feel like now that opinion has shifted more so to Johnny's side, as you can hear from all the booing. So yeah, I'm not buying that. It's nothing more than her trying to make herself into the victim, which she is not. She was the aggressor and she was the abuser, in my opinion, allegedly, and that's what I believe the evidence paints. So yeah, so I can't wait to see what happens, and thank you so much for being with me thus far, if you have been following it, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Stay tuned. I'm still working on my summarization of both of the closing arguments. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.